Mr. Correa, how you doing? Mr. Correa. Robert Correa, accused of the 4th of July baseball bat beating of a New York man, was the subject of a dangerousness hearing today at Falmouth District Court. At that hearing, Correa's alleged victim, William Nestor, testified that Correa hit him with a bat. Following the hearing, Judge Michael Creedon ordered that Correa, of Falmouth, remain in custody for at least 90 days pending his trial. Here are some excerpts from William Nestor's testimony today at Falmouth District Court.
At this point, when you start to get out of the car, as these people or individual was approaching, what, if anything, occurred?
I heard my wife yell, "Will," and started to turn like this and was promptly met by the other individual who took one step towards me and swung the bat.
Did you see him with a bat in his hand?
Yeah, I saw him walked back as he took the step.
He had the bat behind his shoulder?
Yeah, he had it up on his shoulder.
And were you actually able to see the individual holding this bat?
Yes.
And do you see that individual in the courtroom today?
Yes.
The witness has identified the defendant as the person wielding the bat.
Thank you. After the bat made contact with your head, what happened next?
It broke my glasses off, and he kind of swung down, and I managed to get a hold of the end of the bat. And
Which end of the bat?
The end he hit the ball with. I was holding on to it, and at that point my dad had come out of the car and ran around and grabbed him from behind, and they fell backwards, and I was still holding on to the bat, and I was having a tug of war with him trying to get the bat away from him. My mother ran out of the car and told my dad to let him up, and my brother-in-law pulled the bat away from everybody. He yanked that bat away from everybody.
What was your next observation of this thing?
The next clear observation is when he came out of his house, apparently he ran inside.
So you saw him coming from his house area?
Yes.
And what did you observe as he did this?
He was coming out and he was going, it was me, I was the batter.
Did he have his hands in the air as you just described?
Yes.
And you're saying I was the batter?
Are you a Yankees fan, or did it have anything to do with baseball? Because that's the way it's been written up.
No, I really don't want to talk about that part.
Okay. I just want to know, how you feel about Cape Cod and coming here after this incident.
I actually agreed to talk because I want everybody to know that I really like Cape Cod. Your police force in Falmouth was wonderful. The fire department was top-notch. Everybody was polite. Even after the incident, all the bystanders, they ran to get me ice. They ran to get me, a glass of water, anything I wanted. It's just a bad incident in a really nice place.